The mihi animas chatteratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John Paul, SDB. We are now in the 23rd Sunday in Ordinary Time, and the focus of our celebration today, our liturgy, is the cause of discipleship. The Lord is reminding each and every one of us that when we decide to follow Him, we have to surrender everything to Him. Yan po yung hamon sa atin ng ating Panginoon. Because when we put our life sa Kanyang mga kamay, ibig sabihin pinakakatiwala na natin sa Kanyang lahat. Yes, we will be planning things in our life, but all our plans, all our desires is according to His will. Ito po yung pinapakita sa ating unang pagbasa, no? We have plans in life, but at the end of the day, it's not our will, it's not our plan that will be followed, but it is according to the will of God. Because we don't know the plan of God, and we don't know even if we will be lasting for the next day. So we can plan, but we have to put everything, our trust in the hands of God. Kung kaya nga po sa ating pangalawang pagbasa, ito po yung pinakita sa atin ni St. Paul. The community, meron silang plano for St. Paul. They sent a servant, Onesimus. But St. Paul suddenly said, no, I'm sending him back to you because I have a different plan. Ito po yung pinapakita na sinasyado kung ano yung sinasabi sa ating Ebanghelyo ngayong celebration na ito. Our gospel is taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 14, verse 25 to 33. Ito yung moment where sinabi ng ating Panginoon, kung hindi mo kayang itakwil ang iyong sariling magulang, ang iyong ina, ang iyong ama, ang iyong kapatid, ang iyong pamilya, hindi ka karapat-dapat na sumunod sa akin. Ito ba'y sinasabi ng Panginoon na huwag natin irespeto, mahalin ang ating pamilya? No. Pero ginagamit niya itong symbol na ito because our family is a very important element sa buhay natin. Marami tayong pinapahalagahan sa ating buhay, pero ang tanong niya, may hihigit ba sa pagpapahalaga mo sa ating relasyon? If there is something in our life that separates us from each other, we have to make a choice to let it go. Because your priority now, as my disciple, is to be with me and to stand for what is my teaching. Ito po yung tinuturo sa atin ng Panginoon. Kung kaya sinabi niya sa Ebanghelyo, if you are not willing to carry your cross, you cannot be my disciple. Because being a Christian, being a follower of Christ, is not according to what we want, but is according to what God wishes us to do. And that is what our celebration is teaching us. The capacity to submit everything in the hands of God. And that is what we call faith. We put all our trust in the hands of God, even though that we don't understand everything. So my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, the challenge of our celebration today is, gaano katindi ang iyong pananampalataya sa Panginoon that you are willing to give everything, to let go everything that is very important to you so that your relationship will continue. The cause of discipleship is asking us to surrender everything to God. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.